Come test drive the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.